Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Blooket's new Season 4 and some changes that they have made. So first off, we'll go ahead and click on the news icon down here. I'll pause the video if you want to read the news right here on the right. Okay, now that you've done that, let's go ahead and drop back out and let's head on over to the market. They did add some new ice monsters that you can buy, so just click on those and try and buy some new ones. So far I have all but one of them. Let's see, there are several. If you go into Blooks, you can see which Blooks you have. So there are 8 new ice monsters, and I've got all but one already, which is pretty cool. What I'm going to do is show you the new game, which is probably why you're here. So let's go ahead and go back to the home page really quick. Let's pick a set to play with, host. They also changed this landing screen here that gave some new images for the games, which are really awesome, actually. The new game is called Monster Brawl. You can only play it right now if you have the Plus membership, the paid membership to Blooket. If not, usually they let those out in a couple of weeks. So let's hit host game. There is not a homework option yet. I really look forward to a homework option for this. The game reminds me a lot of actually an iOS game that's super popular with the students right now called Survivor.io. It's really the same kind of a thing. So hit host game. You can set the time for adjust the time for how long you have the people to play or how much XP you want them to get. So I'm just going to do time, hit host now. All right, you can start the game with just you as one person. So I'll go ahead and hit start on that. If you want to, when you first play the game, it does ask you if you want a tutorial. It's not totally necessary, but it's really short if you want to do it. I'm going to hit no. I'm just going to show you guys what the game looks like. So basically, you answer a question. When you do that, you get to level up and choose something to help you defeat the monsters that are going to come attack you. So let's say we pick speeding arrows. You can move with the arrow keys on the keyboard, or if you want to, you can use the mouse and just hold down the button, and you'll move around. As you're collecting the diamonds, you will collect experience, and then you can upgrade your person with every question that you answer. So let's just show you a couple of the upgrades. I've only played for as long as 7 minutes, but even in the 7 minutes that I played, I wanted to keep going because the monsters just keep getting bigger and faster, and you want to see how long you can survive. This dark energy circle is probably the best thing you can get if you can get it. I would recommend that you try and upgrade that as many times as you can if you want to have a good go at the game. But there are a ton of different upgrades. Like, there's no way you're going to get them all in the first game. I played twice already today, and I got a bunch of different upgrades in both of the 2 7-minute games that I played. So try it out. The only downside, downside to this game, is that there isn't any interaction between the students with one another. This is a totally individual game, despite being played live as a class. They don't compete against one another aside from trying to earn the most experience by the end of the game. That's the only competition that happens. Like, they don't run into each other on this battlefield, if you want to call it that. So the only interaction is really if they wanted to talk to each other about the questions and answers, they could do that. But I would just say the only downside is they don't get to see each other. Which I think would be cool if they could do that. And of course, I would really like to see a homework option for this game, just to be able to play it at home whenever you want to, because I think that they might like that. I'm going to go ahead and die if I can, because I didn't really get to see what happened when you die, so it's just, I'm going to get answers wrong too. Oh. That's a really long wait time. Okay, let's not do that again. There we go. Answer 3 questions to respond. Okay. New game. Simple. Okay, so I guess if you die, you just have to answer 3 questions. You can come back in and have all your normal power-ups and stuff like that, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, that's kind of the game. When you're done, like the normal teacher screen, you can see how many answers each student answered correctly or incorrectly, the class average, and stuff like that. I would really like to see a homework version of this game, Blooket. If you watch these videos, if you get a chance, please add that. I think it would be really cool to have it.